24/7 in the service of children are vice principal, sir. Hard-working teachers, those who are always worried and full of anxiety and talking about the children. And my enthusiastic children, good morning to all of you. You look really very energetic. This is Abdul Kalam. I'm here for the thought of the day. So I'm presenting my thought number like this. Children are the great imitators. So give them something great to annual sport day, where one IPS officer was invited and one national and international level athlete was invited for what? Because you are to imitate them. If out of you even 5 or 10 students become IPS, PPS, PES, then this will be our success. So once again I repeat, you are the great imitators. If you imitate any personality in your life, you are going to PPS, Provincial Police Services. You are going to PES, Professional Educational Services. If you are going to IPS, Indian Police Services. If you are going to IAS, Indian Administrative Services, then our life will be very, very successful. So this is what we have to imitate, to follow, to copy. So children, you know who are you? You are the assets of a family, assets of a society, and eventually the assets of a nation. You are great resources for the country. That is why we are honoring you by celebrating this very special day as a Children's Day. And for our teachers, I